White ash falls. Silent pyroclasts spatter the trees. Ice burns deep under feather and fur. Hearts heave, clutch tight, rupturing fright, the coldest of claws. Here it comes, dragging a dying sun, etched upon the flat glass sky. A phoenix! Rufous wings on fire, poised in a dihedral, white hot at the centre, the tips inky contrails, the tapering smoke of snuffed candles. Switching tail, a flaming fork that licks the air, flakes evaporate, steaming tears of bitter ammerman blind. Rising with the grief of this unwelcome resurrection. Gaudy phantom, delirium forged in Dante's dreams. Rusty iron bird, branded and carrion tamed with ease, invisibly tethered prize of the gods. Fallen from grace. Dance, dance for me, kite without ribbons or strings. Rise up on this swirling shroud of frozen embers, to scorch the winds and set these forests ablaze.